Okay, so let's discuss about the if statements in Python.
If statements. So what we will do when it comes if. So A equals to 45 and B equals to 200, and if, so it is the command if B is greater than A, what will be our answer? Print print
Is it
B.
like true false?
No, B is greater than A. Close it. It is error in line number 2. What is the error? Let me see. Uh, can you tell me the error? Let me change the numbers. Can you tell me the error?
You put it space before A.
Okay, so let's do this. Wait. Mm-hmm. Oh, wait.
Oh,
What's the problem? Yeah, now tell me. I have corrected the mistake. So tell me what was the mistake?
the mistake was the space behind A.
No, mistake was we have used the hashtag. We don't have to
Oh,
use the hashtag in this. B
or
is
you
greater
can,
than A.
or it can answer you.
Yeah, simple. We can do this if B is greater than A. Print B is greater than A. So we have used the if statement. This is the basic example of if. So now use if. Uh, okay, so now uh, there is another statement. So let me do one thing. You will get the error in the same statement. Wait. Why?
Because of the um you put it double. No.
Because this statement will get me an error. Okay, because there is a space between them. Okay, there is a space between B and A. Okay, so this was if statement, and now we will discuss more if statement, and we are having ELIF statement. So ELIF with if. Okay, so we will make the normal statement was before. This is the statement, and we will do here also 33. And yeah, we'll deduct the space from here. Do this here. Run this. No, wait. Mm, yeah, now it's fine. Okay. So now we will do ELIF. It is also a command as if. Okay. A
What is the full form?
what?
ELF. What is the full form of ELF?
ELIF. ELIF basically if the previous conditions are not true. Okay.
Oh,
This
okay.
means if the previous conditions are not true. And coming back to our Python, yeah. So ELIF, simple. A equals B. Then print A and B are equal. Let's see what will it provide. It's giving error.
Yeah.
Can you tell me why?
Because of you said A and B are
No,
equal.
no. Because we didn't define here. Print
Oh,
A, print A, and B are.
equal.
And there is one more mistake. Tell me. Fast.
One more mistake.
Yeah, there's one more mistake. Tell me.
Because you put it the cursor mark after.
No. We are not having the quotation mark here.
Oh yeah. You do
Yeah.
have one.
Yeah, only one run. But there's
Dog doesn't.
also the error. Oh, yeah. Let me solve the mistake. I will tell you what is the error. Wait. Guess the error.
It's the space.
No. Okay, so this is your assignment. To guess the
But
error.
what is it?
I will tell you next class what is it. Okay?
Okay.
I've sent you the same statement. Guess the error.
Okay.
Let me make it correct first of all. Okay, it's correct now. And we are equal. So you will tell me that what is the error. Okay? What was the
Okay.
error? Okay, so moving
What was
forward,
the error?
you will tell me. Okay, that is also your assignment. So moving towards next topic, which is if statements. If a statement has been done, else is done, and else has been done,